So today I'm going to be doing my June haul, and I feel like I've done a lot of hauls this month because I have my thrift with me, and then I also had like a vintage clothing haul. I'll link those down below, but I feel like there's just a lot of hauls this month, so I apologize for that. Today I have a lot of random things, mostly stuff from sales. As you know, the stores right now are kind of going into their sale season, which is awesome. We all love a good sale. I have mostly summer stuff, a couple of fall items that I just kind of found randomly. And yeah, I'm pretty excited. I really love everything that I have, so let's just jump right into it. Okay, so starting out with Topshop, I have like the cutest thing ever. Oh my god, guys, you're gonna die. Okay, so it is this dress, like a little pinafore dress, and it's like a pleated plaid skirt at the bottom, and then obviously it connects up to the top, so you can wear it with like a cute like turtleneck or like a blouse or something for the fall. And like you guys know, I love a good plaid skirt, so having something like this, like a pinafore dress, is just amazing for me. I'm gonna be wearing this so much in the fall and the winter. The next few things that I have are from Zara, and you guys, the Zara sale started, and it is like, for me, like the greatest sale of the year. There's like so many good prices, and just everything is just so cute. So I kind of picked up a few things. I didn't really have that much time when I went, so it's not like I looked through everything. So I'll probably have a bit more items next month, obviously, because I'm probably gonna go like this weekend or something. So yeah, I'll show you guys some of the things that I got. The first thing that I got was not on sale. Well, I didn't get it as part of the sale because I got it in the beginning of the month, but it is this little raincoat, and it is like really different for me, and it's just like a light pink like little raincoat, and then it has a hood on it. It is really cute. I love this color. I didn't have a raincoat. I mainly got it because I was with my boyfriend when we went shopping, and he literally like loved it, so he's like, you need to buy this. And it's from the kids section, so it was only like $35. Like, it was not expensive at all. The next item that I have, I'm not sure if I'm gonna keep or not, because I was looking through like all the dresses that were on sale, and I found this one dress, and I like fell in love, and I'm like, this is everything that I wanted and more. But it wasn't marked on sale or anything, so I'm like, oh, maybe someone moved it or it got missed or something. So when I was with the cash, I asked, and it wasn't on sale, of course, like the one item from the store that just happened to be in the wrong place. But it's really cute, so I was like, I'm gonna get it anyway, and then I'll think about it. It does look so cute on. It's $50, so like it's not like it was like, you know, crazy or anything, but like let me know if it's worth it. So it is like this really big like smock dress. This is in a size small. I'm usually an extra small, so it's a little bit bigger than it probably should be. The dress is a little bit short, but since it does have shorts underneath, I feel like it's fine. You can kind of have like the wind blow all over the place, and you'll be fine, just because obviously it has the shorts underneath. The next item that I have was from the sale, and it is like the cutest little like 70s looking dress. It has like this paisley print on it, and it's green. I don't really have many green items in my closet. And then it just kind of has like, not a fit and flare, but it is a little bit more cinched in at the waist, and then it kind of flares out a little bit at the bottom, so it's really flattering. It does have a little bit of like ruching on the sleeve, so there's a little bit of a nod to the 1980s there, but the whole dress overall is just really feminine and flattering, I find. The last thing that I have from Zara is also something that I'm not sure if I should keep or not. It's really cute, and I love it, but I'm not sure if I have other things that are too similar to it, so like let me know. This is from the kids section, and it is another plaid coat, which you guys know I have like so many of them. This one, in my defense, this one has a lot more cream. The other ones that I usually buy have more gray and black in them, so this one's a little bit lighter, so this could be like the spring plaid, you know? So it has yellow and orange, and then has like cream and black obviously, and it's really cute. It's a really nice flattering shape. It does have a lining to it, and it is nice and thin, so for like in between seasons, so like fall and spring, I think it would be like really nice. H&M was also having a sale, and I picked up one item, and it is an orange coat. Well, I don't know, it's like a reddish orange, like you know that one like pencil crayon that's like a red orange? It's like kind of like that color, so it's not really orange and it's not really red. So it looks like this, and it is just like a nice straight cut coat. It's very like 1960s. Coat reminds me so much of, you know, in Breakfast at Tiffany's when they go into like the little like toy shop, I guess you could say, and they steal those masks. I feel like she's wearing a coat really similar to this. Hers is obviously a little bit more orange, this is more red, but it's really similar, so it has that similar vibe. So when I saw it, I was like, oh my god, I need to buy this coat. I also went to Forever 21. They were having 50% off all of their clearance, and I was like, you know what, I need some summer clothes because I donated so much of my stuff. So I was like, you know, I'll take a little stroll, see what I find. And I found this dress, which you guys, it's so cute. It's like a gingham dress, and it has this like stretchy material at the top. I don't know what that's called, but like it was like really big in the 90s. I don't really remember what it's called, but it has like the stretchy bit up here, which is a little bit looser, and then it has like a tighter stretchy thing at the waist, so it really like cinches it all in, and it's really flattering. And then it just kind of flares out at the bottom there, as you can kind of see, and it's just like really flattering. It kind of reminds me of like a milkmaid or something. Like, I don't know, like I don't even know where I'm getting that from. I think it's really cute, and it was only like $6, so I'm like, I know I'm gonna be getting a lot of wear out of this. And to be honest, for Forever 21, this is actually pretty nice quality. Like, I'm a little bit impressed. Also picked up this little blue and white skirt, and I just thought this would be really cute for like everyday daytime kind of summer dress, maybe with like a little white crop top or something. This could be really cute. It is a really thin material, so I probably wear with like little white like spandexy shorts underneath, just because it's really thin. So this, if a big thing of wind comes, it's gonna be like up to my ears. So yeah, so this was only, how much was this? $6, so like that's a pretty good deal. Also picked up another skirt for the fall or winter, and it is this kind of like houndstooth brown and beige color. It's really cute. Unfortunately, since the lineup to try things on was like way too long, I was like, I'm not gonna do that. So I just kind of brought everything home and then tried it on there. I can't return it, but anyway, it's a little bit big for me at the waist, so definitely something that I have to wear with like a thick sweater or something. So it's not like so big that I can't wear it. Like, I'll still be able to wear it with a thick sweater. I just wish it was a little bit smaller, but I mean, what are you gonna do? Forever 21 is this denim jacket that has cherries all over it, and I just thought this was so fun. I haven't seen a denim jacket with cherries all over it, and I know that if I was in a thrift store and I saw this, I would be all over it. So I was like, you know, I'm just gonna get it. It was only like $12, so it's not too bad. This is a size large. Normally I'm like a small, extra small, but I kind of wanted a little bit more of an oversized look, and to be honest, I don't think it's like that big, and it also looks really cute, just kind of draped over the shoulders, I think. So yeah, it has the cherries at the back as well. And then the last thing that I got from Forever 21 is a pair of glasses, and they are these pink kind of, what are these called, cloud sunglasses, and I just think these are so fun, especially, why does this hair always do that? Like, oh my god, you're so annoying. I just think these are like so cute for the summertime with like a nice pink outfit or something. I think this would look really cute, especially for like photos and stuff. I just think it's like really fun, and I like that the lenses are also like that pink color, so. Another accessory that I got is this hat from Free People. It's originally from Brixton, and they make like so many of these kind of hats in like all these different colors, and I just thought this one would be really fun for the summertime. I am going to Seville in the end of August, so I might be bringing this just to kind of like style around, and I just thought it was like really cute, and I love, you know, red and white stripes. Then last but not least, my best friend Adrian, you guys know Adrian, she got me two things for my birthday. It was kind of like delayed. I got this like at the very beginning of the month because my birthday was like June 1st. So she got me this skirt, which is so cute, and this is from Naked, like the online store. I'll link it down below. And it is this like pink skirt with little red trim on it, which is so cute. I kind of love this like pink and red contrast on it. I think it's really pretty. So it has like the red kind of going along the front as well as on the bottom. And then the second thing she got me is this pink blouse that has these massive ruffles up on like the shoulders, which you guys know I really love. I think it's really fun, and this will be really nice for like a daytime, like summer day. It's really nice and thin material. So yeah, I'm really excited. I feel like I needed to add some more pink into my closet because I don't have as much pink as I thought I did. So I'm really excited about it. So yeah, that's pretty much it for today's video. I hope you guys liked it. Let me know which item was your favorite, or what item have you bought recently that you're really loving. I'm going to be doing some more shopping this weekend. I think I'm going to go back to the Zara sale and see what I find. So make sure you follow me on Instagram because I'll probably post it on my story and stuff this weekend. But yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!